All you can do.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, it's hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
Great offense by John Cena.
Oh no, we've got a problem here, guys.
John Cena with the offense.
Oh, where's Cena going to go here? What's he going to do?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Cena.
No way.
Second rope. What an AA!
Wow, the crowd's on the edge of their seats.
That is exactly what John Cena needed.
Great offense by John Cena.
Showing very few signs of life here.
John Cena got him there.
Elias getting put in check here.
I fully expect him to bounce back, though. This is the type of one-on-one atmosphere where he thrives. Just making his presence felt there.
Abuses him with an elbow.
He's simply reminding him that he's here.
I guarantee you that the post-game show on the WWE Network will be talking about how he struggled getting out of the gate here tonight.
Look at this.
Right now are scratching their heads wondering how he let this match get so out of hand.
Then Bray Wyatt. When the lights go out and the Eater of Worlds stands in front.
An early pin attempt.
1, 2, 3.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in. Wow, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a high wire act next.
Showing off his vertical with that drop kick. He might have it. And he lands the slam.
But can John Cena capitalize?
If an opponent exhibits a weakness for a specific move,
Hey, he's a WWE superstar, which means he's among the very best to lace a pair of boots.
Sports entertainment changed forever that night.
incredible undefeated streak in sports, an unprecedented 21-0 at WrestleMania. During that streak, the Phenom defeated 11 former world champions.
Rows of caskets, championships, and a Royal Rumble victory.
He wants to do this in the ring.
He is a one-man gang in there.
Can the WWE Universe expect from him here?
It's going to take a lot to beat him tonight, Michael. From what I'm told, he's been spending extra hours in the gym in anticipation of getting in the ring with this guy.
What else can we say? He can talk all he wants.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Not where he wants to be right now.
Yeah, you're not going to win many matches when you're down.
AJ Styles got him there.
When this guy's on, look out.
Things definitely aren't looking very good for him right now.